Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you the third Python code. First of all, we would open the ArcMap and search for the aggregation tool. Aggregate polygon that would aggregate the polygons into one. So first of all, I would show you in the ArcMap by using the tool, and then after this I would like to show you by using code. For this I have data which was exported using QGIS. I would upload it in the Google Drive in the link below. You can use that. In the tutorial 3 I have Kathmandu save file and aggregation distance 1500 feet. Okay, now after this I would click OK. Also I would I like to drag and drop this original shape file of Kathmandu that contains the building footprint of Kathmandu. I think the work is going on. Yes, the aggregated form of this aggregated polygon is shown like this in the figure. Let's drop it in the these are the different folders, so it is making some of the problems. Again re-aggregate it, an output folder in the output folder in this tutorial 3, this folder. That would make us easy. Name is aggregation save, and distance is 1500 foot. Then OK. And after this uncheck it. That will show the footprint of the Kathmandu houses, and it is aggregated over here. If you make this smaller, it will be easier to see that these are the footprints and this is the aggregated polygon of these footprints. These are the footprints, and it is the aggregated polygon of the footprints. So by using the default program in the ArcGIS, we can create this type of activities. But how can we create the same activity by using Python? So we open the Python 2.7 version for the ArcGIS 10.1, 10.2 and 10.3. so I will create a new file over here, and I would like to import ArcPy. ArcPy is ArcGIS plus Python. So I will describe the local variables here. Kathmandu equals I have the folder over the tutorial 3 save file, that is Nepal tutorial 3. Okay, so the file would be e/nepal/ tutorial 3 / Kathmandu Kathmandu dot shape, KATH Kathmandu dot shape. Okay, this is the local variable for the input folder. Now for aggregation distance, I would put 1500 feet, and for the output folder I like to write output KTM equals I will put the output in the same folder, tutorial 3 bracket, my output name will be output ktm.ssb. Now under the Python ArcPy we can use different types of modules. One of the modules or process is aggregate polygons, which will aggregate the footprints or shape file into a polygon. So I would write the aggregate polygon for this. First you have to call ArcPy like in functions. So aggregate polygons underscore under the cartography, that is the code for aggregate the polygon in Python in ArcGIS. So for here is written that in feature, so I should give the input features, that is I have Kathmandu as input feature, and for the output feature, that is output feature, for the output feature output KTM. For the aggregation distance, that is AGG underscore distance. Aggregation distance is that, so minimum area none. So I will put the aggregation distance over here to 1500. No, this is aggregation area. Aggregation area is 1500 SQU square feet, and I will skip the rest and close with the bracket. So our code will look like this. So after that I will run the module. First we should save our code for running the module. So I will save it over download and GIC aggregation, save. Now it will run the module under the new Python shell. It will take some time. After that we will look over the tutorial 3 and there should be a folder named output ktm.ssp in tutorial 3 folder. We will know that after the 3 greater than sign we would get the result here. Yes, the output is shown in tutorial 3 ktm output ktm.ssp. After that we will put this in the ArcGIS. Yes, this is the aggregation of our code, that was 1500 square foot and 1500 feet. I have not written here feet, so there I think there is an error. by default, so I would run the code again with the name output ktms. Okay, after some time we will see output ktms over here. An error occur while aggregating because output feature class output ktm already exists, so I should rename this feature, this name. There is an error occur, output ktms over here, and run the module. You should try to read an error that will solve many of the problem in Python. It has clearly mentioned that output feature class dataset here is already exist. Okay, the program has successfully run. So in here output ktms is also shown. I will export it to the arc map. Cannot specify the file. This is a XML file, so it creates occurs. .ssp file you should drag and drop. Okay, now our result is better with this save file. I will make it hollow. Yes, these are aggregated over here. Okay, this much for today's lecture. I will come tomorrow back. Please keep subscribing and like my video. Okay, thank you so much.